In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Microsoft Authenticator on new phone. By the end, you'll have your verification codes and sign-in approvals working on your new device without getting locked out of important accounts. First, install the official Microsoft Authenticator app on your new phone. Open the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, search for Microsoft Authenticator, and make sure you're downloading the one published by Microsoft. This helps you avoid copycat apps and keeps your sign-in secure. Let the download finish and grant basic permissions so the app can send notifications. Now open Microsoft Authenticator, but don't sign in on the first screen. Instead, look for the Begin Recovery link at the bottom of the main screen. This is important. The regular sign-in only adds a single account. Begin Recovery pulls in the cloud backup from your previous phone so all your saved entries can be restored together. When prompted, sign in with your recovery account. This is the personal Microsoft account you used when you turned on backup in Authenticator on your old phone. Enter those credentials and complete any prompts. Using the same personal account is what connects the new app to the backup so the restorer can find your data. After you're in, the app will begin restoring your accounts. Give it a moment, and you should see your entries reappear. Some may be ready to use immediately, while others might show that additional action is required. For security, certain accounts, especially work or school accounts, must be re-authenticated on a new device. That often means going to your account's security page, choosing the option to set up the Authenticator app, and scanning a new QR code with your new phone. Open Authenticator, tap to add or reactivate that account, and use the camera to scan the code shown on the security page. This step reestablishes trust with your organization and ensures that only you can approve sign-ins from the new device. If your organization uses number matching or additional prompts, follow them as shown. If you don't see a QR option, your security page might provide an alternative approval flow. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once everything looks good, test a sign-in that requires approval to confirm notifications arrive on the new phone. As a best practice, keep your old device available until you've verified that every critical account works. If something doesn't restore, contact your organization's help desk or account administrator for a fresh activation link or recovery assistance. That's it. Your Microsoft Authenticator is now set up on your new phone.